Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am very excited. I have the September Joyful Jordan box and I'm here in my kitchen to share a sneak peek with you. So welcome to my kitchen. If you've been following me for any length of time, then you know I am a consultant with Jordan Essentials, which is a bath and body and home products company out of Nixa, Missouri. So everything's made in the U.S. We have the monthly surprise box called the Joyful Jordan box. And as a consultant, we have opportunities like earning Green by 15. So thanks to my wonderful customers, I was able to earn Green by 15 in August, which means I had at least $500 in sales by the 15th of the month. And so I was able to get my September Joyful Jordan box for free. I was able to order it early, and that way I can give you a sneak peek. So these wonderful boxes are $25 normally. It's a little box of joy, and it's a nice thing to send to someone. You can reuse the box, or if you get one with an order, you can also ship it out, or you can have it shipped directly. So I actually have a subscription that goes to my grandmother every month, and I love that I have a little gift coming her way. So even if we don't get to visit that often, it gives me a reminder to call her and ask her what she thinks of her Joyful Jordan box for the month. And you can have a subscription where you change the recipient each month. So that's a really fun way to do a little giving back and find different friends or different family members each month that you want to share the Joyful Jordan box with. So these boxes are valued at over $35, but like I said, $25 a month. And if you do the subscription where it automatically charges your card and ships out each month, then you get free shipping. So that's a nice bonus too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. So this always has this cute little saying here where it says, "Hey there." And I have not opened this, so this is me and you both getting a sneak peek at the same time. So it is a little box of awesomeness. There's always a card that tells us a little bit about what's in the box and has either a quote or a saying. So this one says, "Perk up." Ooh, I think I know what those are. They look like coffee beans. "To become more lively or cheerful, or to make someone more lively or cheerful." So that's the definition of perk up. We perked up when we heard the good news. Ooh, I wonder what it is. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so we have a coffee themed box for the month of September, which is pretty exciting. So first off, there is the Cafe Latte Shea Butter. Shea butter helps eliminate dry, ashy, and damaged skin while moisturizing all at the same time. So let's take a peek at that. I don't know which one I got here. This is something else, so we'll start with this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to smell. How cute. I love that label. That's a totally new and different look for the label. So I think these will have a seal. Let's take the seal off. Yep, these are always fun to get off. Oh my goodness. I am really excited. I don't know about you, but today is the first day back to school for my daughter, and this is just like icing on the cake for me. So let's see how we like this rich, creamy shea butter. Oh, very nice. It's a coffee scent, but it's not very strong. Oh, I like that. Just a little hint. So that's our rich emollient Cafe Latte Shea Butter. All right, next we have the caffeine scrub. So it says, "For radiant skin, gently exfoliate and polish by rubbing, scrub, in circular motion." So that is this. So we have that same scent, the Perk Up scent, and this is a caffeine scrub. So this has things like the jojoba beads and coffee arabica seed oil. And crushed walnuts. So that's going to be a really nice, fun thing to use either in the shower, or you could do your hands and do a little exfoliating treatment on your hands. But that is the Perk Up Caffeine Scrub. And the last little goodie in our Joyful Jordan box for September is, get one of these biodegradable peanuts out of the way. Ooh, the Cafe Mocha Soap. So this says, "Wonderful aroma and benefits with a glycerin base, make a gentle, effective hand and body soap. So that will be fun too. We have a nice bar of soap. We can throw that in the shower, or it'd be cute to put this at your, if you have a guest bath, put it at the bathroom sink. I'm going to give it a smell. Oh yes, I love that. That coffee scent is just light enough, but smells delicious. So that would be great. You could have your Perk Up Cafe Mocha soap and your shea butter, your cafe latte shea butter at your guest bathroom sink, and that would be such a cute and fun way to welcome guests that are over visiting. So there we go. That is the September Joyful Jordan box, and it's a cute little box of awesomeness. And like I said, $25, so I'm going to link everything down below in case you're interested in getting one for yourself or sending one to a friend. I'll also put a link to the fall catalog from Jordan Essentials. They just came out with a new catalog in July, and we're still enjoying all the new fun products. And other than that, thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great day, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.